So, Catherine, what brought you here? Was it mainly the job opportunity? Or something else?
Mainly the job, but also the city. I wanted a change of environment. I have always lived in Manchester and I thought moving here would give me a fresh perspective.
That makes sense. I moved here from Birmingham about 8 years ago. At first, it felt strange, but now I feel at home.
That's encouraging. Do you still visit Birmingham often?
From time to time, my family is there, so I try to visit at least once every couple of months. What about you? Do you have family in Manchester?
Yes, my parents are still there and my younger brother. I will probably go back on holidays.
That's nice. Do they support your decision to move?
Yes, they were very supportive, and my mom was a little worried, of course, but she is happy for me.
That's good. Moving for work is always a big step.